Welcome to SkyMet Weather Report. I'm Jessica and this is your forecast for the day. Now, humidity is on the cards for almost all the major cities in the country. In Delhi, keep your ACs on cause you're in for a humid afternoon with a max of 36 degrees. Morning would be a pleasant relief at 26 degrees. Light showers will be welcomed for National Capital in evening or late afternoon. Intermittent light showers over Mumbai will continue. A maximum of 31 degrees and cloudy sky will keep the day comfortable, while morning would observe marginally higher temperatures than the usual at 27 degrees. Maximum of 33 degrees and high humidity will keep the day uncomfortable in Kolkata. Some relief can be expected in the form of rain in some parts of the city. A pleasant beginning for the week with 30 degrees in Bangalore will keep the good mood going. Skies will be generally cloudy, light rain is also possible in some parts of the city. Mornings will be cool at 21 degrees. Day at Hyderabad will be warm with high humidity and 32 degrees at max. Sky remains cloudy. Night will remain comfortable at 22 degrees. Summer miseries for Chennai are not in sight as maximum temperature of 37 degrees combined with high humidity will be very uneasy. Rain in some parts of the city would be refreshing. Morning will also be a comfortable 27 degrees. Now here's what it looks like all over. As you can see, on and off rainfall over the country will keep the temperatures pleasant, but temperatures would remain high over West Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu due to lack of rain and dry weather. This is indicated by the dark red color. Central India may witness further fall in temperature due to heavy rains. East, northeast and west coast will continue to enjoy pleasant weather. 3 cyclonic circulations over central Pakistan and adjoining Rajasthan, one over West UP and another over Jharkhand are being fed with moisture by southwesterly winds from Arabian Sea and easterlies from Bay of Bengal. Winds are westerlies over west coast which are instrumental for subdued rains there. So basically now monsoon has reached over Haryana and Punjab. Rain will continue over north with varied intensity. But over central India, particularly over southwest Madhya Pradesh, heavy showers are predicted. Rainfall will remain subdued over west coast. There is a decrease in precipitation over East India. In South Peninsula, light rain will continue. For West Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu, a spell of dry weather would cause worry. So on that note, I take your leave for now. Catch us again tomorrow right here on SkyMetWeather.com. I am Jessica and thanks for tuning in.